Laws don't always sound so serious. In fact, some are so unexpected you'll wonder if they're real. But here are 5 Indian laws that actually exist. Imagine this: you are out flying kite on Independence Day, but do you have a license for that? Sounds funny, right? But under the Indian Aircraft Act 1934, a flying object is defined so broadly that even flying a kite requires permission in certain airspaces. So the next time someone cuts your kite, remember, the law might actually be in your favor. Now imagine this: you are digging in your backyard and you find a hidden box full of old gold coins. Jackpot, right? Well, not technically. Under the Indian Treasure Trove Act 1878, if the treasure you find is worth more than 10 rupees, you are legally required to report it to the government or it becomes theirs. So, yeah, your hidden treasure might just become government property if you don't report it. Picture this: Miss Fraudy commits a crime and the police tracks her down at 8:30 pm while she's watching Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. But they don't arrest her. Why? Because under section 46 of CRPC, a police cannot arrest a woman after sunset and before sunrise, and that too without a special permit from the magistrate. And even in that case, only a female police officer can carry out the arrest. Crazy but true. Now let's talk about one that's hilariously outdated. The Indian Telegraph Act 1885 still governs telecommunication in India even though telegrams stopped existing in 2013. That means your mobile networks and internet laws are based off of a 19th century legislation meant for telegrams. Time for an update, maybe? And finally, did you know India considers dolphins as non human persons? Yep, that's true. Under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, dolphins, camels, cows, and several animals are protected in certain states. You can't harm or kill them, and not just because of cruelty reasons, but because they're considered sentient beings. That's the law being surprisingly progressive. So, which one shocked you the most? Comment below, and if you know any other weird laws, drop them too. Because the law isn't just about big cases or courtrooms, it's full of strange, fascinating rules that reflect how a society has evolved. And honestly, that's what makes studying law so interesting.